You can't just sit around waiting your entire life, waiting for the right moment, waiting for the fear to go away, waiting for permission, waiting for someone to show you the path. Here's the truth you might not want to hear. Fortune doesn't reward the careful, the soft, the overplanned, the weak, the hesitators. It rewards the courageous. Every break you ever wanted sits behind one moment of bold action. One phone call, one risk, one decision that makes your stomach turn, one move that separates men who stay stuck from men who build empires. Because the bold don't wait for confidence. They don't wait for circumstances to be perfect. They don't wait for tomorrow. They don't wait for the universe to whisper, go. They move first, and then the universe responds. You think the successful just get lucky? No. While luck does sometimes play a part, it's the grit and determination that opens luck's doors. Like the old quote, the harder I work, the luckier I get. And it's the truth lived by every winner. They stepped into the arena while everyone else hid in the stands. They didn't find luck. They made it. They never thought in maybes, tomorrows, next years, or somedays. Fortunes favor the bold because the bold are the only ones who show up to collect, day after day, year after year, decade after decade. The men who raise their hand, the men who take the shot, the men who don't second guess, the men who say, nope, I'm done playing small. I'm worth more, I'm meant for more, and I damn sure deserve more. Your life doesn't change with hope. Your life changes with action, repeated day after day. The kind that scares you a little, the kind that makes your heart pound, the kind that keeps you up at night, the kind that forces you to become the man you were supposed to be. You want to live your dreams? Stop waiting for it. Fortune always favors the bold because the bold are the only ones who demand it.